Hello team, so how you doing today? I want to show you this. So this is the Orca pool, this is the exchange, and these are the pools. I'm going to buy SAMO USDC, and the reason why, if we look at right now, it's right at 78 and it's climbing. 77, it had jumped to 92, so that's about, I think, about 20%. So let me buy right now, and then I'll explain everything else. I have it already. Uh, my Phantom wallet is already loaded up, um, and I'm going to buy it. So let's go to exchange, SAMO. I will just buy $15,000 worth and then just chill. So that's 15,000. Is it? Oh, it's reverse. Sorry about that. Whoa, it costs. Buying SAMU, you will be paying a premium. So to buy it, it's at 1.8% now. So let me, because it's high, I'm gonna do 10,000. So to buy that, I'm paying $200 to buy it. So I cannot get out of it, people. I gotta stay in it so that it can grow. So I just now bought it. My name is Romeo the Professor, so I've just now bought that. And pay attention. So let me see SAMU. So Samoyed right now is at 78. It had hit this right here, 90, so that's about, yeah, 20%, 214, 10%. Okay, so it wants to explode. I will see if I could buy another 10,000. Let's see, 5,000. Still, let's see, 3,000. It's still heavy, so. All right, I'm done. So when we look at my Phantom wallet now, you should see it there. Okay, yes, 9,827, it's there. So now, let's go to pools. All right. SAMU USDC is paying 352% on a pool. So let's just say I want to put, in which I do, I want to join this pool, okay? So here's all pools. It's paying 452% right here. So I click deposit. 124,802. So I'm going to deposit 19,000, and then I will be receiving $7,432 a month. But let's just say if I wanted to do $1,900, 1973, I would be receiving $743.21 a month. You see? So let's just say if I wanted to do $8,000 a month, I would be receiving $3,125. $5,000 a month, I would be receiving $1,934 a month. Okay? So I can pay my bills with this just by depositing this 5,000. Okay? All right, so I'm doing my entire SAMO balance. Okay? Click here. I'll deposit. Sorry. So now that I deposit, so it says your liquidity. You see it says SAMO USDC. However, it's a double dip. So I have to go click on double dip and find it. And it's right here. So I have to click double dip and approve. So now my double dip says $2,000 and $2,000. Okay? So now, what's going on? Cancel. I apologize about that. Let me cancel. Apologize about that. I'm back. So now it says 2003. It was at 180, so it gave me 20,000. Let's see, did it jump? SAMO. Yeah, SAMO is up at 80% now. Not 80%, but 0.080. Let me see if I can buy it again. Exchange. 10,000. It's still high. But, oh well. I'm going to buy it again. And then I'm going to chill. So I bought $10,000 worth. Okay, I bought $10,000 worth. And now I'm going to go to pool, all pools, and I'm going to say deposit. I click this right here, all, but this got to match. Okay, so that's 21,000. Click it. I'm screenshotting this and deposited in it. Now that's done. Okay. Now, if you look at all pools, I use this APR descending. If I do APR descending, it comes to the top. If I do APR ascending, it shows me these. These are going to be launched soon. We don't know how much they're going to pay, but you see, 495.82. So I like looking at which one's paying the most APR. So I do APR descending. See, 452%. Now you could do trading volume descending. You see? Trading volume. It shows you which one have the most volume. When something has a lot of volume, that means there's a lot of selling and buying going on. A lot of volume. You see? A lot of volume. So if you can have something that has a lot of volume and high APR, that's amazing. Okay, so leave it at APR descending. That way I see what's going on. Okay? So that's how I joined this pool. Okay? And then I click double dip to activate my double dip. It's been activated. I am Romeo the Professor. You can follow, subscribe, share, like. Now you need a Phantom wallet. To do a Phantom wallet, you go to here, Phantom wallet. And you need to do it on a laptop. There's no mobile device, so you need a laptop. If it's an Apple laptop, you need to download Firefox to activate it. And if it's a regular Microsoft laptop, you just add to Chrome and it goes here just by adding it. But make sure you save the 24 words it's going to give you. Save that because that's your keys. Without those words, let's just say you lose your laptop, someone steal it. Without those words, you will not be able to recover your keys, okay? So then once you add to Chrome, you'll have something like this. And then you have to click on Solana and you have to say receive. And that address, that's where you have to send your Solana to. So you have to send Solana to your Phantom wallet. You have to send Solana. So if you have an account with crypto.com, Coinbase, or Binance US, or any other platform that you could buy Solana there, buy Solana, and then send Solana here. Once you send Solana here, then you can use Orca platform. You connect your wallet, you go to exchange, and your money will say Solana. So it'll most likely be like this. And then you can buy SAMO, and then you would have to buy USDC to join the pool. Okay? So I'm Romeo the Professor. Now I will be positioned if it drops down lower than, if SAMO drops lower than 0.07, let's just say it goes to 0.065, I'm putting $10,000 in it. Okay. And then if it drops to 0.06, I'm putting another 10,000. So for every, and then 0.055, I'm putting 10,000. 0.05, I'm putting 10,000. So you understand the drift. Okay, so I'm in this pool, and now it's paying me this per day. So if we do the calculation, we say 27,300 right here times 0.08, that's where it's at right now. I'll be getting paid 2,184 per day. That's cool. I'm out. Follow, subscribe, share, like. Thank you.